Hmm?
So that's bloody. You have to see us yet?
Alright, guys.
No, I'll start looking at it.
That's the little one that be in that tree. I bet you. He trying to stay out the rain.
And jump.
It jumped?
I said it looks like it's from now.
What's up? What's up? You think he gonna run if I open it? Yeah, he gonna run.
His hair.
What's it?
A carrot.
Where?
What happened? Taco?
I wanna open it up.
Oh.
Let's see if he'll stay there. Let's see. Don't scare him though, okay? You hungry? You want something to eat? Hmm? Where your mama at? Hmm? Don't stop. What you doing? Eating them bugs? They said too risky. I'm scared of Donovan. He's scared of you. You have to go up and over. Yeah. You're gonna have to jump down eventually though.
Where are you going? Oh, Kaka going. Oh, Kaka going.
Cuckoo, bro.
Yeah, how you can me.
What you call it? Cuckoo. Look at that mouth.
You see it?
Can't tell. Uh-oh. There's up here.
You can leave it.
There's pumpkin. Oh, right here.
It's a crack.
I said cookie.
It still ain't right. You said it that way.
There's a pencil over there. A pencil over there. What the cup over there. A water. I started the grand. Oh, and this one. Oh, and this.
Come on. See, that's how little one gonna be in that tree. I think that's why he ain't running from me. Cause he already done been around me a lot. You wanna give us something to eat? Let's give us something to eat. You hungry? Here you go.
Here you go. Yeah. Here you go. Raccoon. Hungry boy?
Is that illegal?
Hungry?
Stop. Donovan, be quiet. Donovan, be quiet.
Pretty good.
He just went up on top of that post back there. He's still over there.
Oh, right there. You just jump off, start gliding. Different here, little boys.
That tree. Probably gonna jump down on that table eventually. No, be still. Donnie, come away from the door. Just come back. Come over here by me. What's my phone?
I just said cookies. It's really loud.
He just staring at you, dude.
Let it go.
You want that sausage?
Cookies, cactus, something, and cactus,
Look.
that's it.
Why you get up here and want to get down?
Where it go?
He acting like he too scared to get down.
Where it go?
It's still over there on the thing.
Where it go?
Oh, you can't see it that good, can you? Look at my phone. Look at my phone. You can see it.
I see it. There I see a deer.
That's what it said.
Oh, you can. And then.
Oh, he's going to your head.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at me.
So
Look at that.
Told you what he was gonna do.
Where you go? I can see. I can't. That I can see.
I don't see it no more. Oh yeah, it's still right there. It's still on the deck. Here it comes. Look, Brandon. Brandon. Look. Y'all missed it.
How you missed it? Ate the food. The sausage ain't there.
He came and got it. Yeah, he missed it.
Where you go? Let's see the phone.
It's still on the deck, I think.
Yeah, I just dumped it on the leaf.
It's just sitting in between the plants over there.
Hello.
I got it on video though.
I can see. I can see.
Alright, hold on.
Where the couple go?
It's in the plants.
Where the pet?
Yeah.
Oh, right here?
That's would probably be sleeping sometimes.
That'll be in that tree.
Bill? Hey, you go.
Oh, my phone about to die.
My phone will die.
Yeah, my battery low. So don't tap on me.
It's gonna die.
I said don't tap on it.
That's tapping it.
Yeah, keep it off of the window.
Hmm.
Keep it off the window.
More up with it? Where am I up with
It might have.
Yeah.
I ain't seen the little bushes move no more though.
That's been made.